Maaga tayo ngayon kasi tayo na San Mateo. Check natin yung pati isa na-invite tayo ni Ronald na taga San Mateo. So nakita nyo naman, full face tayo. Bala ko sana dalhin yung half face kaso bigat eh. So sinakot ko na lang dito sa ulo. Hindi mo tayo magmamabilis sa kalsado. So yun, kita kits later. Bigat. So andito na tayo sa munisipyo ng Taguig. There you go. Kaya pala maraming naka-yellow vest. Ayan mo. 5 siguro yung ano nila, assembly. Ito yung bike shop dito to. Laking bike shop. So time check 4:38. So dito na tayo approaching market. Pero nasa left side natin yung building ng SM Aura. Alright, puting. Ayun o. See that? Fall River. Gorgeous. Helmet. So dito na tayo sa Levi's, the famous Levi's. Konti na lang, Marikina na, and then San Mateo. Woo! Chill lang tayo, huwag mag-ubos ng lakas. Sa tropa pits natin, bike tayo. Check nyo yung kanyang YouTube channel. Mahilig yan din sa mga trails. So kindly check his videos and subscribe and like it. Yeah. And also yung channel ni Don Felipe III. So check nyo din yan, yung mga tropa pits natin. Always supportive. Alright. And syempre time check 5:30. Marikina na tayo. So konting kembot na lang. San Mateo. Pa-timber tayo. Pero sa kabilang side. tulay na Marikina. Pagbaba nyo, pupunta kayo ng AFP o Mara Trails o Timberland o San Mateo. Kakaliwa kayo pagbaba ng tulay. Yan. Ito yung papuntang Purple Haze Bar dati. Pero since San Mateo tayo, mag-left tayo. Alrighty. So JP Rizal to. Okay, so dire-diretso na to hanggang marating na yung arko ng San Mateo. So eto yung pagkumanan ka rito, Bayan-Bayan Concepcion. Ito yung papuntang Marikina Heights, Pamaarat. Yan, pero tayo, diretso tayo kasi San Mateo tayo. San Mateo, we made it safely, you know. San Mateo, may mga pabebe. San Mateo, joke lang. So malapit na tayo kay Ronald. Ayun, easy lang. Sakto. Sakto. Siguro dating natin doon mga 6:10 or 6:15. Doon na tayo sa hatakan ni Ronald at ni Kuya Bong. Alright, kita kits. Sa stoplight na yan, after sa arko, kung pupunta kayo rito, right turn na kayo, kanan na, dire-diretso na ng timber yun. Alrighty, kita kits. Alrighty, dito tayo. So pag diniretso nitong daan na to, C6 Cambal Road pala tawag. So diretso lang tayo. So crossroad to. Mga kamote kids, ang kita. Pag kumanan pala kayo ron, may way doon papuntang AFP. Yeah.
I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear. You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble. K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take it
pag diniretso mo papuntang Timberland. Pero dito tayo. Ayun, oh, Shogun. Alright. Mga siklista sa baba kahit Monday papuntang Timber. Eto papuntang landfill. Shotgun. Dati open to, kaso marami na accident. Yung mga kailangan sobrang ganda ng promise. Sobrang taris. Hindi siya natira eh, kasi siyang dead grinder lang tayo. Nagsara siya halakan. Alam si Papa Ronald.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it can build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel